All right. So in today's video, I am going to help you save money by telling you 5 different tax deductions that you might be missing out on in your concierge business. Now, before I tell these things to you, I must also tell you that I am not an accountant and the information that I share with you is for informational purposes only. You should always check in with a tax professional and an accountant to find out what the rules, regulations, and laws are in your city, state, and country. Now that that's out of the way. Okay, so there are several things that you can be claiming in your business that you might not be aware of. And these are the ones that I see are missed most often in the concierge industry. So the first one is your insurance. So you should have business insurance for your business because you want to protect yourself, you want to protect your assets, you want to protect your clients. And so it is really important for you to have proper insurance. And that will depend on the services that you are offering and can sometimes depend on the niche that you work with as well. And to help you figure that out in a little more detail, I'm going to put a link to a course that I've done all about getting your business insured. So you're going to check the description below to have access to that course if you have had trouble or are uncertain of what type of insurance you need. So number one, insurance. The second thing that is often overlooked is the use of your car for business. Now, when you use your car for business, as a business owner, you can claim all of the usage of that vehicle, all of the mileage that you put on your car that is for business purposes. So business purposes would be running errands for your clients. Business purposes would also be things like going to the bank, going to the networking event, dropping things off to clients, picking things up from clients, going to a class or a course in which it is business time. So all of those things can be considered business mileage, but you have got to track your business mileage in order to have that expense claimed. Okay. And I'm going to put also in the description below a link to a video that I did about how to track mileage. The third thing that you may be overlooking is the expense of your home office. Now, again, there are some rules and regulations around how you claim your office space, but it's important for you to at least address it, look into it, ask your accountant if you can claim it, because if you use a part of your home or your home office that's exclusive for business use, you can take off some of your household utilities based on the square footage of your space. But one of the rules is that you can only be using that space for business. So, for example, in my house, my home office is for my business, and any personal or family related business I do out on the kitchen table or in the dining room. Okay. The fourth thing that you may be overlooking that you can claim on your taxes are bank fees. And it's really important if you accept credit cards, because I know when you first get started in business, you're trying to do it in a way where you have less and less expenses. But accepting credit cards is one of the fastest ways to get paid. And it's really easy and convenient for your clients, especially if you have clients, maybe you have a senior that you're caring for and their family lives in another state or another country and they're paying for the services. It makes it really super convenient for that client's family to pay you via a credit card. So those credit card charges and bank fees are also tax deductible. So you want to think about that when you are considering whether or not you are going to accept credit cards. And then the fifth overlooked expense is your education. So things like books and trainings and courses and masterminds, all of them are considered marketing development personal development and education, as long as you're using them to intentionally grow and expand your business. So that is what I have for you today, my friends. Hopefully this video was valuable. Make sure that you hit up that like and subscribe bell so that you don't miss any other upcoming episodes. Bye for now.